Do you want to personalize your Windows 11 look with a different font? In today's video, I will show you an easy and safe way to change the system font very easily. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to understand that Windows 11 doesn't let you change the full system font directly using the settings, but you can change the font settings in the apps, folders, and display scaling. Or you can also use a trusted font changer tool that is designed for Windows 11. Now, in order to change the font in the folder or the Explorer, you need to right click on your desktop and then you will see the personalization option. There you need to go to the font option, or you can even just come in the setting and click on the font settings. Now over here you will see bunch of different fonts, and these are available here, 176 to be specific. So you can simply click on any of these and you can basically just preview them. To use these fonts in the application or the document, you can copy the font name, apply it inside the application like Word or the PowerPoint, and then you can use this feature. You can change the font size as well. In order to do that, simply come in the settings of your device. Over here you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on accessibility. Now here you can see the text size. So if you just click on it, you will see this type of slider which you can basically use in order to increase or decrease the size of the fonts on your Windows screen. Over here, after making the changes, simply click on the apply option right next to it and all of your changes will be instantly applied. So this is going to give you and your screen a fresh readable look without changing the font family. So this is how you can change and customize the fonts on Windows 11 safely. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more PC tips. You can comment below if you need any help. Thanks for watching.